there you go, rotate. There you go. So what I'll do, I'll first thing, behind.
Yeah.
Rotate the set.
Let me double check it, Carl, see if it's recording.
Orientate is locked. Rotate device back. Yeah, it's absolutely live.
Cool.
Okay, so we don't intend there. So watch the car first.
Okie dokie. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. Go blow on your hands.
So the last time we were here, there was quite a large group. You're probably going to need to come a bit closer to check the no. There's quite a large group. And because of the COVID regulations, it took us about 20 minutes to process everybody. So we're sort of on around the right track now. So the one thing I want us to do this evening is to take it easy, just take it slow to the fire itself, and try and open up the landscape a little bit more in regards to mist, legend, and ghosts, and things that they tend to know. The first thing is, what do you know about Sarah? And what about the white lady in the meadow? Really interesting. Now I used to run a shop at the garden centre over there, and we used to have people coming in and telling us all sorts of really interesting stories, and it was the usual story about Romans and Roman soldiers doing things, walking across the landscape, and various other things, and the white lady in the meadow. And there was one day the person came up and said, did you know at the Ewenny graveyard, wait for it, they actually found some human remains? And I said, just take it back. Yeah, in my mind, caption, of course they found human remains, but I listened. And then the human remains were actually Roman human remains, and I'm thinking, right, okay, caption, how do they know they're Roman? And they've been radiocarbon dated. So that was really interesting. So radiocarbon dated sets of Roman human remains being found in the graveyard associated with the Priory Church. That was really, really interesting. So with this landscape, we've got a landscape that is full of stories associated with water. And the medieval theme comes out quite a lot. Owen's indoors, and Edward the First. So Edward the First owns two completely different stories in this group, and then the questions about the Priory come into their own. Now this is a really interesting subject because it's alongside a river over there, which you can't hear because it hasn't been very much. So that river is the river Ewenny. I'll tell you a quick story. When I had a big group of people at Osmore Castle one day, there was this nice old lady who used to live in the cottage alongside Osmore Castle. And I made a very bad mistake. I asked everybody, this is 20 years ago, I said, why is Osmore Castle called Osmore Castle? Osmore Castle was called Osmore Castle because it was alongside Osmore River. And then, moving on, right, let's just move on. This little old lady at the back, she said, actually, it's named after the Osmore River. Embarrassed. the Osmore River alongside Osmore Castle. It's probably named Osmore Castle because one point the Ogling River and the Ewenny River must a little bit further up. So then the bigger river, the Osmore River, and meets the Ewenny River, went past Osmore Castle. So even though the Ewenny River runs alongside Osmore Castle today, in the past, the rivers were much further up, and the bigger the river, the Ogling River, goes from Osmore Castle. So what I'd like to do is I would like the wonderful man holding the camera. Yeah?
Yep.
This is the Ghost Experience Cymru walk. This is our test pilot for the new year and all the other walks that we'll have over the course of the year. So what I'd like is if you could gather you know when we usually gather over in that little spot there?
Yep.
If you gather over there, I will join you. Any
Okay.
questions at this point? Go for. I'll go with Jeff. I'll see you in a moment. Have you both got, I don't think we're going to need sources, but I've got I'll see you in a moment.
Okay. Welcome to Ewenny Priory, guys. Get ready for true tales of ghosts and hauntings, myths and legends. You okay, guys?
Yeah.
And now making his way to Ewenny, the Ghost Experience Cymru, is KARL-JAMES.
Look at the striking River Ewenny. Now, this is a place along here that there would have been crossing points over the many years. And it's at places where we find rivers and mills that people have lost their lives. Water is a very powerful symbol of movement and change. Life, taking away life, rejuvenation and so on. We sometimes welcome water and we feel water. After all, we live on an island. Now within this land we've got the very interesting and sometimes dark stories associated with the Kettle Door. Have you ever heard of the Kettle Door? Oh come on, what's your Welsh like? Kettle Door. Oh, Welsh water. Door of water, isn't it? Yeah. So kettle is horse. It's a water horse. Now don't have that sort of embarrassed look on your face. So it's the story of the water horse. Now, if you should frequent watery places, and it starts to get very misty, and the hairs go up on the back of your neck, you might be approached by the Kettle Door. Now, you've got to be very careful, because the Kettle Door might get a little bit aggressive with you after put you into the water. Or, the Kettle Door might invite you onto its back. Now women be very wary. If the Kettle Door entices you onto its back, a story. Are there not, my friends? Yes. And those stories are that if you are a very good rider of a horse with good confidence, you jump onto the back of the pepper door, it's a white horse as well, jump onto the back of the pepper door and you ride. And if you show the horse confidence, it will bring you back down at the spot that you met the pepper door and you will be rewarded. Unfortunately, nobody wants to work out what that reward is. Because nobody's ever succeeded. Because the pepper door is a bit of a jinx. He will ride and ride and ride up into the sky. And people usually get frightened. And when they get frightened, they lose their confidence. And suddenly the horse disappears. You fall all the way down to it. And you're left in a bit of a shock. Now, that's the usual end result of a man. It's a stallion. And the end result with the woman, if the woman has got no confidence to ride the horse, she will sort of go down, floating through the sky and land on the ground somewhere and with a little bit of a shock. And many reports have been about the petrol door. So after maybe about 6 months, you can feel 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps and 4 taps, and usually the lady ends up having children. But water itself can be very, very dangerous places, and particularly in Welsh lore and legends, and very much to do with wells. And within this landscape we get lots of water sources where, particularly springs and wells, where you might find that you get silver fish. And those silver fish can treat ales and various other things, but rivers are very dangerous places. And you're always to be warned not to play around rivers. And we do that with our children, don't we? Don't play around rivers. So what I'd like to do, I'd like to go a little bit further on up the road and let's explore the landscape a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. I'll keep it going. The next bit of us. Arrow, 2, 2, 1. After 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to go to those 4, you can move it forward. You can think about this lane, it's very likely that this lane may have existed over a very, very long period of time. And let me actually approach a little bit more carefully. You see that nice little bit of an arc there. It stands out of place of the landscape, it's very, very much so. And be very careful because at this point it starts to it's probably about, I think they've had their motion. Can I give you another weird little fact? Another weird little fact. I was up in the moorland of the valley about 2 months ago. And I should be walking around minding my own business, the people are anything that goes up to the night, very fairies and that wonderful things that are gorgeous. And suddenly, guess what I found? On the top of the moorland, on top of smaller stumps, or clumps, as we call them, bog forms. Bog forms minerals on top of clumps of the moorland. And it's one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. And the problem is, I got very excited with this one because all of the hand, I could change it and pick it up. But unfortunately, I then realised for the clumps of bog forms, you need a male. And unfortunately, something happens with them. I didn't have to do something around in the water and so on. But anyway, we really do a long response. This is a rather interesting one. Now, we have here as well, there's something that we actually refer to as tricky sandstone. It comes from soil, which is B7 and Ogmore-Bunty. And this certain sandstone itself is world famous in South Wales. Is world famous in South Wales. It's famous all around South Wales. Actually, this sort of sandstone can be found in lots of other places in Britain as well. It's a very interesting, finely compressed sandstone. It can be carved into windows and small fireplaces and all that. This itself would be some of the architecture was originally taken from the monastery that's further on down the road. That's a nice little bit of a feature. Oh, and the mountain block as well. I think they put down as a little bit of a historical thing, you know, I think it is. So a little bit of a horse mountain block. And being from a very horsey family, nothing to do with several years, that would have been absolutely perfect to sort of mount your feet. So there you go, the block. Now, what I'd like to do is go a little bit further on down the road and we can give you a clarifying story. But I'm going to imagine that I've got somebody else with me to sort of do the play acting, because I think we're limited members, right? So we're there. So again, if you start down the so you know the A48. You go over, you know the A48 is a wonderful way to travel down in the day. Because there's no views in it, but at night, a headless horseman is a found man. And be very aware of places known as Country Club Run. Because if you ever go to Country Club Run, it's the place of the scene, and you'll be robbed. You'll be robbed anyway, particularly if you go to Barry, yeah, we tried to avoid. You know what? Somebody told me a while ago. One of my students, he said, oh, I'm not going to park my car in Barry because it'll get nicked. And guess where he's from? My shed. What an absolute cheat. What an absolute cheat. So I never park my car in my shed because I'm afraid of what I own. Because that's what a great competition. So what we're going to do there, so we've got this sort of meadow-like landscape with a White Lady's Meadow, yeah? What we're talking about, White Lady's Meadow, yeah? That's what it's called, White Lady's Meadow. There's a rather interesting story. Oh, and the ghost is sort of be ajar. Oh my God, a spectacle plan. Maybe a ghost will come through and nab one of it. Hopefully I can do it, because at least got the iPhone here. So, if we all want to sort of gather a little bit further into the sort of city place, that's good. You're scared now, aren't you? What are you scared about? Come on. You know, terrible. Right, so White Lady's Meadow. And you could refer this to as White Lady's Lane. Sounding like really difficult. The one thing about this landscape is names are very difficult to sort of understand and really sit down. Really very realistic. There's actually another story near here, and if you allow me to tell it, right, there's a little story associated with a certain Kelvin guard. But we'll see what time it is, and we'll see if I'm still compass mentis. Anyway, it doesn't sound good, compass mentis. I just don't tell a story that people are believing them. I don't know things that they bunch of them up. White Lady's Meadow. Now we believe that there's a you stop laughing as well. So we've got the sound box here. So around here there's a ruined building, right? Some people have seen it, others haven't, right? Within this landscape, White Lady's Meadow. And you've got Waterton Lane, which is on that side, and then you've got the Waterton Hotel, which I'm sure that you're aware of. Yeah, well, you know. Yeah, we won't go there. Who knows that you're actually together? You might have a room booked. I'm saying things I shouldn't be saying, and it just might get people into trouble, you know. Anyway, so White Lady's Meadow, and the story is that frequently a lady should be seen wandering across this landscape in great despair, searching, looking for things, searching. She's out searching. She's supposed to have the camera on me. Anyway, she's out searching, looking around, and she can't find anyone. But occasionally, she might meet your eyes. Not you. You're out the story. She might meet your eyes. She might meet your eyes, but she might meet your head. Anyway, it's said that on time and again, in the past 200 odd years, that she would approach gentlemen along the lane or entice them into the field. You can imagine the gates open there. Come on, young man. You're still young, aren't you? Yeah. You want the story, don't you? Come on, young man, over here. Right, so the young man approaches, and this is the place where dogs obviously do their doings. Anyway, I'll go avoid that. So, young man, right? So, the young man approaches. What are we doing here? Avoiding dogs, really? Right, young man approaches, and the lady holds out her hand. And she says, in a very distressed state, you can feel it now, it's building with me. In a very distressed state. I wasn't in a distressed state the other day when I was doing that film. We had all these monks, people dressed up as monks dancing around. That was so weird. He's in a very distressed state. And the young man is looking, you can imagine the young man going, I'm a young man, Alan. Please hold my hand. And he's thinking, not in COVID times, but then again, it wasn't COVID times, so it was really good. This is get on with it, right? So she says, please hold my hand. Just please hold my hand. Anyway, as men do, you know, vulnerable man, me, old vulnerable, yeah, hold him in his hand, and she smiles. And she says, please don't release me until I feel it's time for you to release me. And many times it's said that the gentleman who this woman is impressed gets a bit frightened by she holding my hand. No, this is the man now, not the woman, right? So you can't move the camera now. So the guy's going, why am I doing this? And the woman's going, just keep on for a little bit longer, right? But always something happens in the story, a dog's back, and the guy lets go of the woman. And the woman goes, oh my God, you let go! And he's saying, what's the point? And the woman says, well, you've got to stay holding my hand, and then let you hold my hand until I say you can go. I will not be released from this torment of wandering around these fields for the next 100 years, you horrible man! And then she goes off. So apparently that's the story, right? Oh, that took a lot of effort. Yeah. So anyway, the story is that the young man is only meant to let go of the white lady meadow, when she says the young man can let go. And usually the story is that a dog barks, somebody passes by, or a group of people start going, Rah! And anyway, and so what happens, and the mobile phone goes as well. Oh, don't do. So basically, the story has it, is that the torment is based on the fact that you need to be able to control the situation, and you need to be able to control the young man. Now, people have looked into this, and they do believe that she was murdered. But there was something weird about the murder situation, right? And we think that she may have actually been doing the murdering. You see? Because the thing is, if you look into the story, if she is the one who's meant to hold people and meant to control when that person is allowed to let go, right? And then she says, I am now released of my torment, it doesn't make sense, right? So in other words, there's certain things that she might have been the one responsible for murdering, and associated with this little cottage around here. So if you ever see this woman, she's not to be trusted at all. And somebody wrote a message on the internet like the other day that said, oh, I don't believe in ghosts. Ghosts are actually entities of evil people. And I'm thinking, if you don't believe in ghosts, and now you're saying ghosts are actually the entities of evil people meant to impress you, then you actually believe in ghosts in the first place. Right? So the point is, it was a very powerful story, White Lady's Meadow and this lady, we don't really know much more about her. And I'm actually thinking that she might be the one doing the murder. She's the sinister person in all this. She's meant to be the vulnerable woman who's going, oh, stop. But I think there's something not quite right about the story. I look at these stories and there's something not quite right about some of these stories when you look at them. Anyway, that's the story of White Lady's Meadow, and now I've got to find my glasses, and my glasses are here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to thirdly walk up the road, and I can keep my eye on the ground, right, to make sure I don't step on anything, right? and then let's go. Nothing, I'm not taking anything. Right. So that's the story of the white lady's mother. Right? So you do believe, it was believed that she had been murdered, but the 13 years of why she actually believed that she was karma. Yeah. So maybe it's going to happen one day that they leave the murder of karma for a penitent. You know, the penitent sin. Now this is the other one, the penitent sin. Apparently, the representation of a cross, a very, very powerful representation of a monster. And some people believe, you know where you get the idea of the crafty fox from? You know that from? Foxes are generally crafty, aren't they? Yeah, they are. And apparently the fox is the embodiment of people who have tormented souls. And not people who have been massively evil, but people who have done betrayed people. Like for example, there's a Welsh lord wandering down the road, and he taps on a house and says, "Please, whatever you do, don't let the Normans go on here, all right? I won't let the Normans know you're here, mate. I come from Canada." But that's a really interesting thing because lots of people come over from Somerset. But anyway, back to the story about this lord. Anyway, the Welsh lord knocks on the guy's door, and he's invited him. And he said, "I won't betray you." Anyway,
Car coming, guys.
that's not, he didn't say that. He didn't say cars coming, guys. You know what I mean? So, have we got any people watching?
I can't tell on this. I haven't got my glasses on. You might need to put a light
Oh my
on.
God, yeah, we do. We got somebody watching. We got a thumbs up on that one.
You might need a light on this.
Oh my God, orientation. Have we got, how are we going to do light? Do you know how to do light on this?
No.
I don't know. Oh, enable flashlight.
Nothing.
Whoa! That won't last long. Anyway, where were we? Oh, right, yeah. So basically, a guy goes upstairs in the street. The Lord is taken away. So he's actually betrayed, right? So the man is actually betrayed. The Lord is actually betrayed by the man down below. And it says that the man below will be forever tormented in the fox. It's true, honestly, it's true. That's the story about the fox. So, what we've got is that you here, we've got a rather interesting range. And that's actually in my book. So as we go through Corntown, which is that Corntown, really good there, yeah. So as we pass the village, if we pass the village and you go down through Corntown, and there's a little turning one, see some houses and they're turning. Now that's about 50 odd years ago. There weren't many houses down that lane, right? And this desperate gentleman, Calvin Dark, happened to be going to the den with his girlfriend. And on the way back at 12 o'clock at night, they drove down the lane and there was a surfer that was walking across the road. So you can imagine, hang on, this is just, no cars in.
No, we're fine.
Right, you can imagine, two people there, right, right, man and woman, Calvin and the right, the guy, down the lane now, right, yeah, they don't know it's it yet. There's this guy with a sack on his shoulder, wandering, right? And he's still in the camera. Maybe 12 o'clock at night, right? And actually, this is his driver because he's... No, he's not. Right? No, I'm just driving, right? No, you stop driving because the guy's in front. Can we just start this again? Yeah, well, that's good. And there's a car coming. Oh, shit. Yeah, we'll get this story right now.
Yeah, we will get it right.
I thought you were going to try, man. Hey, give it to the people, man! Hey! We're doing a bit of a ghosting thing. Are you the guys in the tower? There.
No, they're the ones that walk past earlier.
Stuff, man. Hey, that's a good car, but you have to stand, you know? That can't be yours! Oh my God, you must be doing well! You got your college grant on this car, haven't you? You have. You got your college grant on this car. Oh my God! Hey, tell you what, Mike. If I desperate you would sell us up the college, right? Hey, and the other thing as well is, right, I actually sell tomato sauce sachets, right? Oh no, nothing as normal as that! I can't. Oh God, anyway, back to this, we'll get into the car, right. Now, you know when you were doing the driving thing then, right? No, you stopped the car! You did your head on the windscreen, right? Yeah, you walked it up at this stage, right? Actually, we should put this in yeah, anyway, right. Anyway, the guy's going down there, right? But, talk to your missus, wondering why is this guy hovering down there?
Why is that guy hovering down the 3 road?
I don't know.
Why do you brake so hard? My head's bloody hurting. Oh, for God's sake, it's running over.
Alright, then. You go, right? Anyway, that's it, right? That's the story. Right, anyway, let's get in the car, get out the bloody car, right? Hang on. Wasn't that a bit strange? No, hang on, no, I'm him! I'm him! I'm actually him. Right, you know we've been to a pub, right, and you're driving, right? Yeah. Now, is it just me, or did we just see a guy hopping across the road?
Yeah, we did.
Right.
But now,
no, hang on, you're not supposed to be in here. No, I totally think I'm right. What's going on? No, we've added that to the story.
Oh, right.
No, hang on, we can get back to the story. He was concussed when you singing, but because I've replaced him, I'm no longer concussed, and I'm actually the real Calvin. No, but I'm not Calvin, that's somebody else, but I'm not pretending to be Calvin. Anyway, you see that guy wandering across there then?
I did, yeah.
Yeah? But it's like 12 o'clock at night. Anyway, that's it, right? Anyway, long story short, right? We're not going to get in bed now, but pretend we're in bed, right? We're sleeping in my... You store, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what? I'm going to go and drive down that thingy, because I want to know if that guy's okay. Do you think that's a good idea?
No, I think we should go back to sleep.
Alright. You haven't read the book though, that's not what she said.
Oh.
Right, anyway.
Yes,
yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good
yeah.
idea. Right, anyway. He drives down there the next day, right? Here we go, I'm Calvin, right? Stop, you're not in the car now, go over there. Right. He's driving down the road, right? And he pulls over the car. Yeah, I'll pull over the car on you, right? And he gets out at exactly the spot that this guy was seen wandering across the lane, right? And he gets out and he's thinking, there's a bloody wall there. No, there is a wall there now, but there's a wall there, this is somewhere else. And he wanders over there, there's a circular old gate, right? And it's all overgrown, right? And he's thinking, oh, it's coming off quite right. So you can do them with something nice now. Come on, what can we do? Start alongside each other, right? Here you go, right? What the hell are you doing? What are you doing here, man? Anyway,
You're not going to tell you though.
No, we have.
Okay.
No, it was in the 70s, right? 40 years ago, right? They had set tellies in the 70s. They did. My parents did. It was crap, but...
Black and white.
Anyway, Coronation Street's on and said, you know, I went down and that guy must have walked through a wall into a hedge.
Never.
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the story anyway, right?
Clever float.
Oh, we've got to go to the pub now. We've got to do the pub scene, right? Because you're
I like the pub scene.
Yeah, we're doing a pub scene. Get over there, right? Anyway, so what they do, they wander in a pub, right? Here we go. No, we're wandering in the bloody pub. Oh yeah, go on behind the bar, go on. Go on behind the bar. You're this side of the bar, looking this way, right? And I go in the Calvin, right? And I said, how are you doing, mate? How are you doing? Calvin, I don't buy other people's pints, but you know what, right? I was wandering down this road a few weeks ago, right? And there was this guy, right? You never believe it, right? There was this...
Never.
Anyway, there was this... I think he said that anyway.
Yeah.
There's this guy, he walked from a wall, through a hedge and disappeared, right? And then you can swap over. You're no Calvin, aren't you? Yeah. Funnily enough, no, you're stuck in the barmaid.
Oh, right.
Calvin's a bit of a turd. He's eyeing at the barmaid. Right? He's going to... I hope you don't see this. Anyway.
No, I just ignore you then.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, anyway. No, you've got to listen to the story.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Actually,
actually,
it looks like they're deaf in this shirt. I knew it.
well, you get that side then,
Right, okay.
right? So you're Calvin, now you've moved that side.
Yeah.
Calvin had no problem with his hearing. Now he's got problems with his bloody hearing. He can't drive. He's got concussion. What a bloody story this is.
And he's a
going
pisshead.
Now he's a pisshead as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, do you know Calvin? He's a stonemason. Anyway, right, anyway. The long story short is this guy now, who's not Calvin, because you're Calvin, he says, funny enough, was that in Corntown?
Was it?
No, yeah. You're supposed to say yes.
Yeah, he was.
You're Calvin.
Oh, right, I'm Calvin
Yeah.
now, yeah. I got confused. I thought it was the pisshead. Right.
No, you haven't started drinking.
Oh, right.
Right?
Oh, bloody hurry up, I'm getting thirsty.
Oh, I'm gonna have a
It
drink.
wasn't in
I'm
Corntown.
gonna have a drink myself. It was in Corntown.
Was it?
No! No! I can tell you've not been to bloody acting school, no, right?
Right. I don't think it's frothy.
No! I'm not Kelvin, you're Kelvin.
Right,
I'm the bloke
Kelvin.
in the bar, and that's the barmaid, right?
Right, did it happen in Corntown?
Yes!
Right, okay.
Shit, I've forgotten what I'm supposed to be saying now. Right,
There's a
yeah.
guy walking across the road that we knocked over.
Oh shit, you're Kelvin, aren't you?
Yeah.
Christ, I've got who's who now. Well, anyway.
Well, we
so-
knocked him over the night before, so did you knock him over as well?
No, you didn't knock him over at all, that's the
I
point.
thought he was siding with a mistake.
Yeah, but no! No, she was walking across the road.
All right, okay.
No, she wasn't. He was walking across the road,
Okay.
right?
So when the people walking across the road
Yeah.
behind you.
No.
So
I find
they've
it
come to
difficult
walk
now.
across the road as
Yeah.
well.
What?
They've come to walk across the road as well.
No, they're walking through. Oh, God's sake. Oh, God, please help me. Do you know what, man? I wish I had that excuse. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, we're invisible. No, you didn't see them.
No, we
They're
didn't.
nothing to do with the story. Anyway, I'll see you two again. Bye. Anyway,
Nice dog.
what?
Nice dog.
Yeah, I know it's a nice dog, but that's not part of the story.
Okay.
Anyway, the long story short, right here, I'm losing the
Can you
wilderness.
cut a short story long?
Short story long. But anyway, the point is, right, then I say, right, not as Calvin. By the way, you know that, you described the bloke, right? You described the bloke as being, I'm
right.
Calvin. No. I am the man who walked across the road. Oh,
Okay.
shit, I'm not the man. Oh, God, for God's sake. Right, I say, right, I am now Calvin, right? I say the guy walked across the road with a sack on his back, right? I am no
Yeah.
longer Calvin, you're Calvin.
Right,
And then
right.
I say, as a man in the bar, oh, by the way, that guy you described was my uncle. And he died 2 years ago. And Calvin said, how can he have died 2 years ago? Well, I actually saw him wandering across the road. And he said, yeah, you described him precisely, because at that point, he used to go poaching in the wall, right? And there wasn't a wall there at that point. He used to go poaching in the wall, right? And that's the route he used to take. And he died 2 years ago, and he was well known for using that route. And Calvin goes, so that must have been a ghost. And I say, yes, it was.
Right, okay, so that must have been a ghost then.
Yeah,
Yeah, cool.
that's it.
Yeah,
That's the story done.
yeah. But he had concussion and he's pissed off.
Have we got the story right now? Are you
Yeah.
happy with that story?
Yeah, I'm happy.
And then Calvin goes, I'm
You were
Calvin.
telling the story. I was always happy with the story anyway.
Yeah, because I don't even know who I am anymore, right? So Calvin
Welcome
goes,
to my world. You know.
Calvin
Have a
goes,
drink, you might remember.
that's amazing. I must have seen a ghost. And then I'm the other bloke, and I say, yes, you did. Because he died 2 years ago, and the description was exactly my uncle. End of story. He used to do it in the war, and that's what he used to do. That's his ghost, and that's the story. Are you okay with that?
Yeah,
Oh,
good.
good.
So, thanks for the story now.
Go on
Would
then.
you like to sit down?
Yeah. Oh God, what are we doing on there now? Are we still okay? Right. Well, what we do? Oh, we've got 2 people watching, right? And we've got I don't know how much power we got left on that. Yeah, never mind. We haven't got anyway. Whoever's watching, orientation is locked. Who's orientation? Anyway, carry on, folks. Oh my God.
Orientation.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah, that's not scary, man.
Oh, I know it's getting dark. You know what's going to happen, right? When we by the time we get up there, right? How long does the scene last on that?
full charge. About an hour or so, I should imagine.
Oh, so glad we've already done about an hour. It's going in a minute. But anyway, so, what the hell? Are you seeing us turning the detail off and using that?
Yeah,
Oh, well, let's fiddle about with it then. Right. Okay.
the light's not very bright on it. I can't see you on it now.
Can you see me on it? No. So what was that? Mute, or don't disable flashlight.
I might take some battery as well.
Yeah, that'll do. Keep going. Come on, folks. Where's the back? Very noisy now, and I used to say, oh look, you see those lights over there? And if you don't see those lights down, right? And you can really noisy, like you still see the lights there, if you don't see it, right? It's the lights that you can see it, right? So it was sitting around, right? And I said, like, look at these lights, it will disappear, those lights will disappear, because those lights are actually dying, right? And it's just like, oh, yeah, really? Because when we go around the corner, the lights will still be going. So I turned around the corner and looked around, and I was like, oh my God, what happened? Because the lights are gone out, the fairy lights are gone out. It's like, now that the fairy lights are gone out, they come to get you, right? And they were done all the way on to their main point. You're a horrible person. Yeah, every time I upstairs sobbing during the sleep. And the thing is, I used to say, if the fairy people get you, you'll turn to stone, and your mum and dad will never ever see you again. No wonder I used to have things to say, because he was bald, yeah? Wait a minute now. No, my children do, but they say, oh yeah, I used to tell us that my daughter came around there. I used to put her on my shoulder, this is someone else, I used to put her on my shoulder. I used to say to my little Karen, I used to say, Karen, you don't need that leg, because you've got 2 legs. And she said, I need both my legs, you want me to do it, you can walk around. And then I went down to say, oh, look, Karen, you don't need those arms. Daddy, I need both my arms. Seriously, she's got really upset when coming to get home. Anyway, so this road, as you know, goes all the way down to Thorntown. It's a very sleepy road. Actually, it's a really sleepy road, isn't it? And a monk are apparently seen walking up and down this road. And they were the monks associated with Ewenny inquiry, where we're going to go through that. So keep going. So what we're going to do is we're going to probably... what time is it now, folks? If you know, Saturday. I'll have to say, very nice. I'm still not massive, so we'll facilitate. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you we've got 2 real factual stories. So I'm actually going to tell you in a few moments. And it's rather interesting having big groups on the book. Because when you have to go around the corner, you have to see your own child. It's totally quite frightening. And it was, I'm not sure what it was, I think it was like September last year when we were still really being operational walks and we had a lot of people on. And then we went into lockdown and we opened up again and we went into lockdown again. Anyway, I had the owner phone me and he said, are you coming to your own car? I said, yeah. And he said, right, just do the places you want to look at. And he actually said, if you can organise something in the summer, we can actually go to the grave and have a look around and some days to experience. Wouldn't that be great? Because you won't find, if you only go outside this thing, you won't find that in areas of UN firing, there's another gateway that people don't know about, and there's these very interesting shots making very eerie noises. And he thought I was actually doing a great haunted visual. And when you come here on haunted visuals, it's just like, it's going to be so creepy. then my story will be about to be begun soon. But there's a lot of research that we've been doing about the inquiry, and we believe, some of us believe, that it might have been, there may have been a passing point of the old Roman road to Jewish China, but because the Roman road to Jewish China sort of took off down this way to Ewenny, and all the way across, all the way back over to Brazil, and then all the way back over to the Red Hill roundabout, which is a bit further west, which is the route to the road. And obviously that ties in nicely by a separate beginning, that story about the Roman burial ground. Now, I've got several strange things happening here, and I'm going to tell you one, maybe two, and maybe three. So, if you want to stand down here, the first step is this. I will try to do this. Now, we actually have a haunted eagle. Gather around, we have this haunted eagle. Now this is a true story you can get. There was only 4 of us on it. It was the beginning of, oh God, what year are we in now?
21.
Yeah, are we in 21?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the beginning of 2020, right? A year and a bit ago. Oh God, that sounds really creepy.
Good though.
Yeah, it's good.
We don't pay for these effects either.
Oh, yeah, we do actually. I gave them a fiver, right? So, anyway, the funny thing is, I took a group that was over that place, right? It was like 1 o'clock in the morning, over that place, and at the back of the street, right? And that other guy, when the police were going to come and wire them, so he went to the other gate there. And I was telling them some various different stories and stuff. It was a very neutral feeling, you know, the type of feeling that there's negative or positive and everything's fine and chill out in my life. You just sit down and kind of do that stuff. Anyway. So I said to the group to head back to the front of the castle, right? Everything, that's what they were meant to do. Within no time at all, as I was just about to follow them, many people disappeared. So I don't know where they went. They disappeared. There was a bit of a gate there where I went to. And I went into a large TNT entrance. And you know what? I couldn't find my way back. And I went to this really old bridge, which I thought we went over, and it went nowhere. And I started to panic because time had gone by. I couldn't hear anyone, I didn't know where anyone was. Time had gone by, it was too cold. And I was just getting really worried. And I got to a point then, as I was up against some trees, and I actually saw 5 years had gone by, and I actually saw my parents dead. So pretty much, all these weird things were going through my head, and it was just really strange. Anyway, I eventually got back into the field, and I went to the route that I had already done, and it came up. I said, well, you don't know. It's funny, I wondered the one year, right? I couldn't hear anybody, right? My car was gone. I got to this point, my car was parked over there, my car was gone, everything was really strange. The route that I was with, I'd gone. Like there was only, oh that was what I was doing. It was only the 4 small place. And I just couldn't find it at all. And I was really panicking. And then I just started walking, and I closed my eyes and opened again. And there was wood, and there my car was. And they said, you've been gone for a very long time. And I said, I don't know where the hell I've been. I just got so confused and so lost. And it just didn't make sense. And it was a very strange experience. I was actually convinced that 5 years had gone by. It was everything was different. The whole landscape was different. And it did happen. And I don't drink and I don't take drugs. And it was a very strange thing. Anyway, carrying on. Okay. I don't know if you ever had that feeling that somebody died and another died and the same died. can look along there, there's like a layer of stone that pokes out the face of an earlier wall.
Oh,
See that? Right? So this is really all interesting stuff. Now what is very interesting, I'm presuming you still think Osmond Castle. Right? Now, is there anything like this at Osmond Castle? Well, put it this way, there's not a wall like this at Osmond Castle. In fact, the keep at Osmond Castle is not as well built as any of this, right? And we're told that a land grant was given to the church, and the land grant given to the church was to also build this site and a gateway and another gateway, another gateway, another gateway, and a big church, right? You start to compare this with Osmond Castle, and you start to work out that more money went into building this in the 1130s than actually went into Osmond Castle. And then if we start to unravel into the seeds of history that we're not told about, this was the defended site of the Empire. They didn't build these walls to defend against attacking natives. They built it as a fortification to contact the Brexit virus. And I'll tell you where the method is that story. So we move on with it. Now that makes this certain sandstone. And you know what? More money was taken into this gateway than probably most of Osmond Castle. So what were the Delanders family doing? Granting this to a monastic order. And the answer you actually pour hot oil or actually boiling hot water, you pour it down on people. So you've got that portcullis there, and you've got this really powerful gateway here, and you've got another powerful gateway here, and you're thinking, well, what are these defenders here? And you know what? It says that only between 8 and 10 months on average as a king living in a the illness of the empire is as follows. In 1282, Edward I brought his troops into the castle. His ribbon waves was used to ferry the troops from the coast all the way down the river, and they were actually built here in 1282. This would be the first, but the final push would be made to conquer Wales. The push to conquer Wales had been made 150 years earlier by the earlier Roman Wars. And now 1283 was the time to finally finish off the conquering of Wales. 1282, Ewenny the last was invented to keep contact with Queen Mary, who was the third, whose army was murdered. Ewenny the last, Ewenny the second, was actually killed by a monk who was killed on St. Mary. The build-up of this stone here in 1282 was used to craft any further rebellions in Wales. Also, this is the same alternative in around 1404 that the English also gathered to stop the tower and to try and keep the arms of Ellington Hill out of the peacock at the year 20. Another interesting fact is as follows. When we had another ghostly visual, it was back in 2000, I had a piece of people here. I was talking to Chris, but this sounds really very cool, but in 2006 I wasn't believing in ghosts at all. In 2016 the year I got put on convincing. So let's be talking to Chris for this way, can you give me some answers to what this place is about and so on. And I asked the question, I cannot remember what the question was, but it was Chris. And the person standing over the mantle, she actually had a recorder, and she didn't know this at the time, but when she took the recorder back, she was completely silent. Whatever question I asked, the answer came back as ST, in French Latin, ST. You know what that means, and so we picked up the voice of a ghostly place, which is quite a very strange thing, such a care you have to do it. And the one thing, I've seen lots of ghosts in my time now, honestly, in my time, I'm in my 40s, but looking at those things, 6 years ago, I've actually seen quite a few things that obviously what happened to me here as well. So what I'd like to do next is I'd actually like to go a bit further, and if we move up again, the last time we were doing actually that
Yeah. Well, the atmosphere was just as easy then.
Do you know what that is?
It's hiding stuff. Trying to lie down on some stuff there.
No, that's a good one, right?
Yeah.
Now that stone itself is actually the base of a people pot. Yeah, that's what you meant. Yeah, you said stone base of a preaching pot. Yeah, that you did mean that, didn't you? Yeah. I'm glad. No, it's a preaching. No, no. Anyway, so no, this is a. It would be really good. Yeah. It's somebody's dying for God's sake. Anyway, so the point of the matter is that before churches and abbeys were constructed, they used to have a stone to hollow out a square in it, right? And a preacher used to come around on a horse, a monk or a priest or whatever. He'd come around on a horse, and he used to carry in one of the panniers on the horse a piece of the true cross. So he could take that piece of wood out, he would put that in the hole, and he would basically preach from there, and he'd say, this is a piece of the Holy Cross. Mind you, they've never found it in Britain, but it's a big cross. It's a big cross, and it's a really big cross, maybe 30,000 get the cross across Europe. Jesus was on a big cross. Yeah? It's real, it's true. Anyway, and then he used to take that, because the slot was there, he was able to take the big piece of wood out, only a little bit of wood, and he put it in his pannier, That was the whole point of the preaching club. That was the whole point of the saying in Corinthians, in my house there are many mansions, because Christianity is everywhere, right? So eventually what they did was start building spires like this and churches and so on, and the preaching classes were left unloved and uncherished, like a wonderful woman who was neglected. But suddenly the church would say, right, our preaching class needs a bit more of a home. So what they would do, they would put a huge scarf on top of it, made out of stone, and they would have a carving at the top of the Holy Trinity. And then eventually they would make that, they would erect that on steps, and it would be a stepped preaching class, and people would actually preach to it. So that's lying there as a memorial to early Christianity, and the guy that came around was the original father. Jesus, I met. And you know what? Jesus loves you and he knows your life. I've been talking to Jesus all my life. I can make that into a song. See how it works?
I think it would.
Yeah, right.
Let's get in.
Let's get in there, right. Now, if we had, before I started that now, right, if we had my wonderful alien the one thing you can say about the graveyard is that you do it all here. So you go to the door here, right? And you think, right, what's wrong? What's wrong with this church graveyard? The reason why the church graveyard now is so high is that there's buried there. From the level of this is up and up. And this is why the entrance level is down on a lower level. But eventually it was a lot of money to given by the state, to Caddy, and that has done some wonderful restoration work. Like here's a little story. You know what? Sometimes I can be very serious and have very serious meanings. This crappy phone glass here is owns a place called KARL-JAMES, right? And I wanted to get angry with it because he was trying to say, you know, we don't want you on our land and all that stuff. But then he said, actually, come on in the summer. So I thought I'd okay with that. I didn't blow myself out. Unlike the COVID freeze that a few months ago, we thought we could have a war. That was the one you originally put down, Joanne. I did actually fall ill that week, but anyway, I had a call off the COVID freeze, and they said, oh, well, we know that you've got this war happening, and I really lost it. But I didn't lose it with Jeremy, and you know what he said? Like, in the war, over the gun, it was a huge car. Two things in the Second World War that the Friends was known for: huge munitions plant and about 20 mental lunatic asylums. Terrible names for all of them, but they're all these lunatic asylums. A bomb was dropped, and I'm told it was quite a big Spanish bomb, but the blast was so extensive, the reverberation through the ground sent the council roof falling to the ground. The collapse. But what they decided to do, what they would do is they would get the architecture right. They would build a concrete frame re-erect all the masonry underneath those concrete frames, and it really worked. When you go in there, they didn't get it slightly, they didn't get it completely right, because when you go in there, the architecture is a bit sort of bent and twisted, but it looks really good. And also, what the Luftwaffe didn't get was, because of that, some of the whitewash came off the walls. And looking at our street engineer thinking that whitewash, maybe we can get a few bits of medieval storywork at hand in the centre of not being serious. It's one of those great things that will come up in future generations. Now, I'm actually still on flagging at this minute, so we might sort of head back soon. But what I would say, are you good walkers? Let me tell you about a little bit of a view. So if you park your car outside the priory, right? You go down to the front end of the farm, there's a footpath that then leads back to the farm, right? And then you go around the corner, in the middle of the field, there's a strange circular top tree. Yes? It's probably in dimensions from here, about 20 odd inches from here, about 20 inches in diameter, right? And around the outside is a ditch. So you can imagine, looking at this, there's a ditch full of water, and there's a stone wall, and there's a load of earth, and there's some ornamental trees. Back around 250 years ago, particularly the herbivore family decided to make that what we call a cemetery. There's got loads of ornamental trees there, and some of the ornamental trees are still there, and there's sort of stone tucked in still around the outside. I'll tell you what, very beautiful nature. It's one of those great things. And maybe if it was later grass and there was no pasture in there, maybe ask the local farmer, just people like knock on the door and say, is it possible to actually look at this wonderful piece of archaeology? That would be something to do, which would be very useful on a walk. So what I'm going to do, we're going to leave this bit graveyard, but just to say it's a very sort of interesting and haunted place. And what I'll do is, I've got one or two stories on the way back. But is there anything you want to ask at this point?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
There's a lot going on, yeah.
There's not going on.
There is a real lot going on. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start heading back now. If I may have a time set. Oh, good. Oh, we'll stop now. That's it. Right. So on now, what we'll do, I've got to take you back. So we'll have a couple of little stories on the way back, right? One little story I want to tell you about that tower that we just passed, because there's something I'd like to tell you about that, but from outside. Okay? Anything you'd like to add yet?
No,
Have I managed to touch all the bases tonight?
you did.
Good.
Just to say, maybe wasn't here to share some of her stories
I
on
know
this
they
place.
were quite frightened about the ghostly figure. The ghost, if you can't see it from now, and health and safety reasons, but there's a ruins of the campsite over there, and there's the sense of the ghostly monk around in that area. And when you're doing haunted evenings here, while you're out doing haunted evenings, this is perfect. Actually, Jeff, if you did this type of evening, it's like to do a haunted evening.
It would, wouldn't it?
It really would. And it's quite a safe place when you do haunted evenings around here. I don't know, there's lots of stories. And this is exactly the place that I heard about the excavations of the remains of those Romans. And they were doing the excavations into the drainage of the wonderful place. But look at the architecture, it's really powerful. Oh, what is that in Western State? If you ever get to an open space, there's a first. But if I tell you now, when you go to open, they will blow your mind. Inside here is some of the finest Norman stonework left anywhere in the whole of Wales. It's not different. Inside here is architecture. It's some of the finest anywhere in Wales. In this little building. And it's so brilliant, it's survived. What happened after the dissolution of monasteries is quite clear. Is that lots of monasteries were reducing the legs of taken up the windows are taken out, stonework and all that stuff. This was the third of the family ended up, the third of the family they married into the Christian family. And what was decided that this was to remain as a church, this would be the village church. And unfortunately, due to times getting bad and that was there, maybe the whole family could be trying to raise it. There wasn't much but thanks to the state, we're able to invest money in here, and it's a wonderful, when you get past those doors, it's a wonderful place to come to. So anyway, let's join ourselves out with Church there, and then we can tell you a couple of little things on the way back. So we can do the final place. Have you ever heard of something known as a charnel house in a church? No. Or the church, what would happen is that when they would be digging in these church graveyards, any skulls that were found in one day, they would collect together, they could collect them together, and put them into the charnel house. Particularly in London, they had a problem. Because the old burial grounds in London and other places that were up and coming, like Liverpool and Birmingham and Manchester, all those places that they had churches, those would be the places where the sun places, because they were the available open spaces. So those places, those graveyards would be dug up. And then people said, hang on, if the graveyard is being dug up and all the churches are going and all the rest of it, where are we going to bury our dead? It was only in the late part of the 1800s that the Masons started coming. The Masons came in because there was not enough place to bury the body. So every time they went to the graveyard, they would let the skulls along with. And a local man William Fox. Up in the valley. His son died, and his son was called. And when you dig up bodies, what happens is that's why in the Victorian period, in the late 1800s, the late 1840s and early 1850s, people would be digging up graveyards and various different diseases were going into the water system, like cholera and typhus and typhoid and all this is mixed in, and there'd be all little plagues, outbreaks and all that, because people would be digging into church graveyards where people died of the
Doing good. I can't see, I haven't got my glasses on.
the stepping stone type. Now, they say they're ancient stepping stones. Love of his life. The one of the side of the Ewenny River. The very thing that they do, they go to buy it on the metal and it's not one. What I'm going to do is put some stepping stones across the river Ewenny from Oxford Castle. So by the time he had actually completed the stepping stones to get to the level of the river, that's quite a bad story, isn't it? It is pretty sad. You can imagine you put so much effort into this, and you let this keep a love of his life, don't leave me. But never stop this time, we will both be back to this. But anyway, what a copyright on that, so we have to stop the recording. But anyway, move on. So, yeah, again, I was reminded that the chap on one of the walk around.
Got a chainsaw on him.
Right, okay, how old are you, Ewan? Chainsaw, what made you believe it's good? Well, after this chat, I do believe it's good. So seriously, you don't believe it's good. However, when we initially started these days, this was in 2015. I met this dodgy woman from Valley, who I'm still with. This is my house flat. This is my house flat. Can't be it. You see, I'm not the same way. What was the cell? Yeah, after I go to the no, mine's the most big one. Well, she's a rebel. Yeah, anyway, we're getting a bit stuck in the hole now. I'm trying to defend my side. Yeah. We're both doing it, but it is. Yeah. Anyway, my beautiful, yeah, my beautiful girl. She's short though, so she tells me what to do. And she's got her there. That's why we sent her. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, you're so good. And history walk, right? This was after about 2 months of being together, right? And I just thought, myself, let's make a 2 weeks walk. Anyway, so she said, what we'll do, we'll do the history walk and put the station, like that off. Anyway, so what we did, first walk to get near for Harrow, right? And we went to the Plough and Harrow, across the field, across the rooms at the back. I had all my stuff, all my stories, okay, people, right? And when we were stories, people kept asking, when are you going to do those stories? Anyway, the time of those stories was that by the time we were Anyway, we're going down the valley, right, of Sunna, and we're wandering down to the sea. And on the way back, there's a little sign that it's getting really tight and so on. Anyway, I thought we go back, and the next day I was just talking when we stood in the water, 15 minutes ago, I actually started somebody following me. But when we turned around, somebody followed me on the way back. I said, how's that possible? Surely if you were followed on the way back, you would have met the person you followed me. And he said, that didn't work out. Anyway, another week went by, this other guy who was on the walk, who was a I was really weird. I was like, weird at the back. I mean, we started following us all the way back, and there was somebody following us on the way back. And he said, we couldn't be following you. If you were being followed, you know what I mean? You're the husband. Anyway, I just said, anyway, me and Michelle, we went to Stone Lane to kind of go to walk up. And she was sat on the steps. And she said, "Did you not have to go up the road?" And he said, "What the hell is all that?" She said, "There's a solid stone wall there. There's no way I can't get out." I didn't believe that. I Anyway, here's the place where this one. This is in my close to the mortgage.
Hey, I hope you sold my guns to the mortgage book enough so they might actually buy one.
Oh, sorry.
You walked into that, Carl.
Yeah, I walked into that one, didn't I? Yeah. Anyway, so, oh, there's loads more in it. Anyway, long story short, we didn't make that. Not make that. We did lots of other walks, and the storms were building. Yeah. And then we did North America, and I was walking past the beach street at North America, and I was wandering along, and the group were in front of me, and I was staying behind me, and the car was in front, and I said, oh my God, I can pick you. And I turn around to see if there's anyone following me, right? And no word of a lie, from a stone wall on the right, there's this song wandering from the stone wall on the right all the way across, right? I'm seeing this at Mercer Mara, right? And it's this song, and he looks at me, and he just walks into the beech trees, and I'm screaming, I'm saying, I can see a ghost! There's a ghost there! There's a ghost there! And I'm absolutely petrified, right? And I'm screaming, and I run to the group, and I said, I've just seen a ghost! Anyway, they're all come to their senses, and, you know, I think I used the car. Anyway, we had many walks down that lane, and every time we go down there, we stopped doing it because we just didn't go for it. We kept doing it on that same lane at Mercer Mara every single time. Ghost was way into the arm of it, and then we start to believe. That's why I'd put it in water. So, anyway, what I'm going to say is we've more or less come to the end, so I hope you've enjoyed tonight. Has it been worthwhile waiting, John? I hope you feel that the next time there will be that'll be the Battle of Calvary. We'll have a nice bit of food from that then. We'll be out of, actually on Monday we're out of the bloody lockdown. We're going to have to keep on looking at it and everything. So that'll be the next one that we do in 2 weeks' time. And I'm glad we've been very patient, John. And I've got to be honest with you, like, how was the other, there's a few people who were going to come along tonight, and they sort of phoned, they said, we were meant to go on the odd one, we couldn't go on it, and we were meant to go on a Thursday one, we couldn't go on it because of the other. We would have really done it tonight, so the other person failed. The other 3 people were meant to turn up, was all over how they are. All of these are cancelled people. So what we can now do is we put the effort into this tonight, and we've done that, so next time we can get back to normal. You haven't Is very important in our landscape, and it's not, people don't make as much as they should. And one thing in the pandemic, people start realising that there's so much more to life than sat at home watching the television behind you, and that's what a lot of people do. And lots of people are going to want to get out there and actually re-engage with the open world. Oh my God! Hey, and at that point, Joe and my Ghost of the Northern Sea will be out, and my Roman of South Wales will be out on Monday. Oh, come on, let's do this. Anyway, I really appreciate you.
Good night, guys.
Thank you very much.
Good night. Hope you enjoyed it.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Take care, you.
Good night. Good night. Good night. So.
Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, keep it on a minute. Keep it on. Night.
Good night, guys.
Night. So who have we got? We've still got one person watching. So I tell you what, if we rotate the screen there. So can anyone see me if we do that? I don't think they can they?
Yeah,
there we go. Anyway, thanks for watching this tonight. So this will be played back on YouTube, and I hope the sound has been really good. So I think Jeff and I will be monitoring this to see if this technology works.
Yes, I think it's done really well.
Yeah, I think it's done really well. Yeah. And I'll just see if we've got any messages there. We might do. I don't know. I can't see if we've got any messages. Anyway, so hopefully we can do this next time, and that's it. So this is KARL-JAMES Langford, and this is Ghost Experience Cymru Walk. The first one in 2021. The next one will be on the 24th of April, Friday, and that's the Battle of Cowbridge. So we're going to end this recording now. And how do we end? Oh, we're going to end it. Cancel that. I think that ends it, surely. Is that what you think, the X there?
Yeah,
it's still live. Oh, right. Are you sure that, yes, end. Anyway, good night, everybody.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Thanks for joining us.
Good night from me, and good night for you. And go on. Say thanks. Yeah.
Good night, guys.